Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how I make moi moi leaf Nigeria style. So guys can see all the item here. Here I have the leaf that I've already washed, clean and washed. You can see the green leaf. Some use leather, but I'm using the leaf to make moi moi. Here I have boiled egg that I've already sliced. I have crayfish, have Maggi season, salt, and this my blended beans. I have onion here. I have pepper mixed together and blend it with beans from engine already. You can see. So it's time now to season it and start making our moi moi leaf. So I'll first of all put crayfish. Add crayfish and add your Maggi season to season it. You add salt and you mix it together. Start adding everything. You mix them together. And here I have vegetable oil case. Now add the vegetable oil. Put the quantity you like. This case. Now mix it together. I'm making moi moi leaf. Very delicious food. So start putting. After you add everything, you now add water because it's thick. So use warm water. You can use ordinary water. Don't make it too watery. So don't make the moi moi too watery. And see, don't mix it too watery. Now test it whether the season is okay. Now add little season because the season never catch it well. So guys, it's time to time the moi moi. I've already put the pot on the fire. You can see, if you put pot, put one leaf under so that the moi moi will not got burn. So you can see the leaf under. The water is boiling. So it's time to tie the moi moi now. So guys can see, if you want to tie the moi moi leaf, see these two. If na one you wan use, you can use only this one like this. Then you fold it. After you fold it like this, you fold it like this. You now fold this one like this. You can see the inside. So you can put the moi moi. Put the one that will contain this thing. Then you put the egg. After you put like this, you wrap it. After you wrap it, make sure you wrap it well so that the thing will not loose. Now fold it like this. You can see, and carry this one go back. Fold it like this. After you fold it like this, now put it in the pot. Now put it in the pot. Then you tie another one like that again. As the leaf small, and now double it. Now double the leaf. After double the leaf, you fold it the same way again. fold it the same way and see inside. And now put there. Don't put too much so that the thing will done well. Now put your egg. Now wrap it. Wrap it well. See. So this is how you tie all of them finish. Then after you tie it finish, you cover it like 15 minutes to done.
Tie mean.
So guys can see the way I'm tying it so that when you want to do it, you will not do mistake. You fold it like this. You fold it like this, and this down now, you fold it, go back like this, so that the hole, you will not see leakage there. Then when you put your this thing, can see. So when you put your this thing, you can see inside now. You can see the way it is inside. You now carry the egg and put. You can see. Then you fold it like this. You fold it like this. Then you fold it, go back like this. To hold the other one, to hold the one that you fold, go back. Then you put it in the pot. Then you put it in the pot. This is how you tie all of them. Even though you do plenty of it, if you do basic of it, this is how you tie all of them until you tie it finish. Then you cover it like 15 to 20 minutes to done. So guys, let's open it and see. Wow. So the reason why I use nylon to cover it, so that the heat today, and when they use the cover of the pot to cover it, the heat, the thing will do very well. That's why I use nylon to cover it. Wow. So guys can see. So let's bring one down and open it and see. See how it come out. Wow. So guys can see how it be. This is how you do your moi moi leaf. Very simple. So when you leave it cool, then you balance and started eating your food. So that's all. That's how all of them be. And now off the light. I allow it to cool before I upload it from the pot. Then me and my family, we sit and eat and enjoy our moi moi leaf. So that is all for moi moi leaf. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. If you are subscribed to my channel, you see all my videos that I upload, the new video that I upload, you see the new one, and the one that you pick inside to help you, you see it there. So press that button, that bell, then any video that I upload, you see it. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.